Hey guys, I'm Gosie, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a room makeover. Nothing crazy. Unfortunately, my room is pretty small, so I can't move furniture around because it's not like square, and like, for example, if I'd like to move something, it just wouldn't fit in another combination. But I'm just going to be basically decluttering, organizing, and decorating because I bought some fun decor from IKEA. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. There's a little before of my room. Honestly, like, really like my room, but I just want to spice it up a little bit. Also, it's kind of like cluttered. I mean, not really, but it's just not as organized as I would want it to be. So that's what I'm going to be fixing today. And let me show you what I bought in IKEA. So I honestly didn't got like a lot of things just because I wanted to get one more thing, but unfortunately it was unavailable, so I will get it another time. But I bought this basket because I also got this candle. It was so cheap, it was like $2, and it smells really nice. Also, it's made in Poland, super unlimited. I also got this, isn't from IKEA, but I got an extension cord because I just need that. And I got these little thingies because I want to hang my purses on the wall. And the one thing I'm the most excited about, wait. Okay, so I bought a mirror. So let me show you. Okay, so it can stand just by itself, which is great because I didn't want to like hang it. And I want to put it on my chest of drawers, that's how you call it, I guess. And yeah, let's do this. And maybe I will put on some podcasts because I don't like doing stuff like that in silence. So. Okay, so actually I realized I forgot to tell you, but I made a whole list of like things I want to do in this video, and I just went straight up to doing them. So yeah, so I just want to start off with like organizing this area because like, oh my god, look at this mirror. I am so obsessed with it. I'm gonna show you later, but it just makes this whole space look so much bigger. And I think I'm going to put things that I have in this stuff I don't know where to put box. I will put them in this basket because now I finally know where I want to put them. And I just want to kind of like move things around to make this area look like nice. But I am so in love with this mirror, it just changes the game. This looks so cute, this is so cute. I love this. This is so cute, I love this. It's kind of like too deep, wait. So here's how this area looking so far. Like, I love this mirror. Like, I keep saying that, but it's so cool. I need to clean this because it's kind of dirty. You probably can't see. Anyway, I'm thinking of putting all my clay rings, which, by the way, if you want to see how I made them, I vlogged the whole process. And I have this jar that my sister actually made. I mean, she didn't make the jar, but she painted these really cute little flowers on it, and I really like it, but I'm thinking on like how I can arrange it. Like, I don't know, let's see how it will look with this inside. Does this look good? I don't think so. So we are gonna leave this on this little leaf tray. Okay, so here's how this looks like. This is so freaking cool. I love this so much. And this mirror is so wide. Oh my god, like I'm sorry, but I just love it. I think I want to do something with this. Like, I don't know, it kind of next to this, it just doesn't look the best, so I need to organize it somehow. So I put it this little owl on the frame of the mirror. I think it looks fun, and this I just left like that. I don't know, I don't have any idea of what I can do with it so far, so I'm just gonna leave it until I come up with something. And now let's move on, because I have quite of a mess under my desk.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out. When I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back, what would happen if I never found you. Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
So I did a thing and I really like it, and let me show you. I put the big organizers, no, I put the small organizers into a big one, and here I have my books from things I have like homework to do. So this way, if I don't know what I have homework from, I can just look to this drawer instead of going to this drawer where I have the rest of my books. So it just makes everything like nice and organized, and I'm here for it. I really like the concept that I just made, but I still need to organize the wires. You know what? I'm trying to overcome perfectionism, so this is just going to be right here, like casually. I decided to put my like journals and planners here so that this won't be empty, but it also won't be cluttered, and I really like the way it looks. Okay, so now it's time to hang my bags on the wall. I'm very excited for that. I have two bags I want to hang. So the first one is this one. It's from Monk, and this one is from Benetton, and it's like at least 11 years old, and so it's like actual, like, you know, Y2K piece, and I really like it. Honestly, I thought these hooks are going to be bigger, but I hope they will manage to hold these bags.
Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know.
So here's how this area of my room looks like. I am so not used to having anything in here. Like, this wall was plain. ever since I remember. But I really like the way this looks. I just need to get used to it. And actually I've managed to fold the straps so that they would, you know, fit better. So now it's time for the thing I was probably the most excited for, except from the mirror obviously, but I just have some photos that I printed that I want to put on my wall instead of the ones that I already have. Obviously I'm not going to change the whole thing, but for example this photo is like kind of crooked, so definitely this one. And with some of these I just don't really vibe anymore, so just wanted to switch things up a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. But tell me if you are. No, let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately, 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so. Let's just take this back for a minute. So unfortunately, when I finished doing this wall yesterday, it was already like super dark, so I decided that I'm just going to show you end result today. And I did switch few things just a little bit, but it's nothing crazy, nothing really worth recording, so I'm just gonna show you the after now. So as you can see, nothing crazy really changed since the last time I filmed. The only thing I actually did is I've changed this bag because I feel like it just goes better with the theme of my room, and I've also kind of decluttered my bookshelves because I've had like a bunch of random stuff over here. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that has changed. So yeah, that would be everything for my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make like a room tour where I show you where everything is from, or just, you know, more room videos in general. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. You can like and subscribe if you want to, and have a great rest of your day. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.